Ever wondered what makes Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, tick? Well, buckle up because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of Bitcoin technology. In essence, Bitcoin is a new form of digital money. But unlike traditional forms of currency like the dollar or the euro, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or central bank. It's decentralized, meaning it operates independently of any institution or authority. Now, you might be asking, how is that even possible? The answer lies in a revolutionary technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, a record book if you will, but instead of being kept in a single location like a bank's server, this ledger is spread across a network of computers all over the world. Every time a Bitcoin transaction occurs, it's recorded on this blockchain. And here's the kicker. Once a transaction is added, it can't be changed or removed. This makes Bitcoin transactions transparent and, more importantly, secure. Now, how does Bitcoin come into existence? The process is known as mining. Bitcoin mining involves powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems. When a problem is solved, a new block is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with a certain amount of Bitcoin. This is how new Bitcoin is created. What's interesting is there's a limit to the number of Bitcoin that will ever exist. That number is 21 million, no more, no less. This scarcity is part of what gives Bitcoin its value. So to recap, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a transparent and secure blockchain technology. It comes into existence through a process known as mining, and there's a finite number of Bitcoin that will ever exist. Now, remember, while Bitcoin presents exciting opportunities, it's also a volatile and risky investment. Always do your research and exercise caution when dealing with cryptocurrencies. That's the magic of Bitcoin technology in a nutshell. It's a fascinating blend of mathematics, computer science, and economics all rolled into one. It's truly a marvel of the digital age.